The journey of a pharmaceutical product often culminates in the familiar form of a tablet, a precise and convenient dosage unit. The process that transforms granules into these solid forms is tablet compression, a critical step demanding accuracy, control, and a deep understanding of material properties and machine operation. Mastering the art and science of tablet compression is fundamental to delivering consistent and high-quality medications. Why is tablet compression such a pivotal stage in pharmaceutical manufacturing? It's the point where the prepared granules, with their carefully controlled properties, are formed into the final unit dose. This process must ensure that each tablet contains the correct amount of active pharmaceutical ingredient and excipients, possesses the required hardness and friability for handling and packaging, and will disintegrate or dissolve appropriately in the body to release the drug effectively. In essence, tablet compression directly impacts the safety, efficacy, and patient experience of the medication. The heart of the tablet compression process is the tablet press, a sophisticated piece of machinery that applies significant force to the granules within a die cavity using punches. There are various types of tablet presses, ranging from single-station presses for small-scale development to high-speed rotary presses capable of producing thousands of tablets per minute for large-scale commercial manufacturing. Regardless of the type, the fundamental principle remains the same: controlled compression of the granular material to form a cohesive solid mass of a defined size, shape, and weight. Achieving optimal tablet properties requires careful consideration and control of several key parameters. These include the fill weight of the granules in the die cavity, the applied compression force, and the speed of the press. The physical properties of the granulation, such as particle size distribution, flowability, and compressibility, play a crucial role in how the material behaves under pressure. Maintaining consistent fill weight ensures dose uniformity, while the applied compression force dictates the tablet's hardness and friability. The press speed must be optimized to allow sufficient time for the material to consolidate and form a robust tablet. Throughout the tablet compression process, rigorous monitoring and control are essential. In-process controls, such as regular weight checks and visual inspection of the tablets, help identify and address any deviations from the target specifications. Parameters like compression force and press speed are often continuously monitored and recorded. Regular maintenance and calibration of the tablet press are also critical to ensure accurate and reliable operation. Understanding and meticulously controlling the tablet compression process is paramount to producing pharmaceutical tablets that meet stringent quality standards and deliver their intended therapeutic benefit. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.